Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Emily. I do nails and I'm also the owner of Sunflower Nails on Etsy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I did these fall nails. I love them. They turned out amazing. They were for my best friend and she loves them. This was the one short set she had me do and for when she goes typing and that when she starts school. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get straight into the video. Starting off, I'm going to go in with these nails already prepped with a layer of base gel cured and then 2 layers of builder gel cured in between each layer. And then I'm going to go in with the nude gel that I use for all my nudes. I'm going to just paint the pointer finger since that one is going to be the French tip, the tortoise French tip. And then I'm going to go in with a Beetles gel polish in the number A7. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that on the ring finger as the base for the tortoise shell. I am going to use the same color for the French tip base since it is also tortoise shell. And then the thumb, middle, and pinky are all A17 by Beetles. And doing 2 coats of each of those on each of the nails. Now I'm going to go in with A09 by Beetles again. This all came in like one set, and I'm going to go ahead and put 1 coat of that as evenly as possible on the ring finger just to create a deeper brown because I didn't have a deeper brown at this time, but I went ahead and did that. And then I took A20 and went over top of those red nails to create more of a deep cherry red because that is what my friend ended up wanting. And then I went ahead and added another coat to the nude color. And then I cured all of those for another 60 seconds. After that was complete, I went ahead and started the French tip on the pointer finger to create the French tip tortoise shell design. I'm going to go ahead and take that same brown that I used as the base on the ring finger and create a French tip using that. I have other videos that I tell you how I do the French tip, but basically I just pull a straight line across the whole nail and then curve 2 lines down until I'm happy with how the smile line looks. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill it in with the brush because it's easier and use the liner brush along the sides to create a cleaner line that I don't have to go back and clean up and fix. So once I cure that first color, I'm going to go in with A9 again and create the same base color for the tortoise shell as I did on the other nail that I'm doing the tortoise shell on. And I'm just going to go over top and cure that the same amount of time. While that is curing, I'm going to go ahead and mix up the colors. I took the A9 and mixed it in with a little bit of jelly black, and I'm just going to make that just a little bit darker so I have variations of the colors. And then I'm also using the A9 and the black. Base color is cured. I'm going to go ahead and use my McCart top coat. This is a really thin top coat. I use it as a blooming gel, but I would just recommend investing in a blooming gel and using that instead. But I'm just going to put a coat of that just on the French tip, and then I'm just going to put random dots all over the French tip of the lightest color And then I'm just going to slowly go down the color range and just kind of feather them out as I go. And I'm just creating random dots, like I said, everywhere. I'm just doing it until I am happy with it and I feel like it looks like a tortoise shell, and I think these turned out really well. Now I'm just going to repeat those same steps on the other nail that I'm doing the tortoise shell on till I'm happy with it, and then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. Or if you hear noises in the background, my boyfriend is 3D printing something, so don't mind those. But now I'm going to just, on that French tip, I'm going to take the colors I use for the solid nails and just create a line around the smile line just to clean it up, because it got a little messy when I was doing the tortoiseshell effect, but I'm just going to clean it up using that line. That I'm happy with that, I'm going to go ahead and go in on the middle finger and go ahead and put a cherry charm I got off of Amazon on there. And I'm just going to use my Cart rhinestone glue gel to glue that on. But before I glued them on, I went ahead and just top coated all the nails, including the tortoiseshell nails, because I was basically done with these nails and I just had to put the charms on, and I like to do top coat and then charms. But you can even do the glue down and then top coat it and then stick the charms on before you cure the top coat. I've done that a few times, but I do prefer just doing the top coat, curing it, and then doing the charms. Now that I have top coated it, I am going to now put the cherry charm on. Like I said, I'm just using my wax pencil or my tiny tweezers to put that on. I'm just going to put a dollop of the glue on the middle of the nail and then stick that charm in and cure it. I recommend using, I think, the tweezers more, just because these charms have a little gap in between and it's just easier to grab in between those and stick it in that way. But I did that and then I cured it for 60 seconds. And then for the pinky and the thumb, I went ahead and added little gold caviar beads to those just in the corners of each nail, kitty corner from each other. And then I also went ahead and did a star charm that I ended up having that was also in gold and put that on the smile line of the French tip. I kind of forgot about this when I was recording the voiceover, so don't mind that, but I did just put a dollop on the same way as I'm doing all the rest, just on the smile line, and this time I used my wax pencil to pick it up because it was easier. Then after I put on the caviar beads and everything, I am done and they are finished. My friend ended up loving these. She wears them a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, comment down below some more nail ideas you would like to see coming in the fall and winter time. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. It's really appreciated, and I would love to have you here. Also, all my social medias are linked down below, so go check those out, along with my Etsy. I would love to see you there, and I would love to make a set of nails for you, and I might record it. So go check that out. I hope you guys enjoyed this. See you guys next time. Love you.